today? Tell me in the comments below. I know some of you guys been sick lately, so I'll pray for you. And I wanted to do a video. I was gonna do a Q&A. I haven't talked about dyslexia for a while, and I am very a creative person. That you can see over is the spray paint, and the frame is mine. And I know my friend. Let's get into it. So, dyslexia and creativity. And the positives of having dyslexia. One is for me, I'm very creative. I have a like creative mind, and trying to whenever for YouTube for you guys, I try to try to go through my videos, and then creative. I learned how to do YouTube on my own. I edit all my videos I also am kind of a beginning artist because my friend Carrie, shout out for her. She don't do YouTube, but she is an artist, and she showed me how to do spray paint, and it helps. This also has to do with mental illness. It helps you with to calm down, and it's kind of like when you do art or whatever you like to do, it just helps you. So with dyslexia, you can be very creative and like art, writing. That's the two things I like to do of my hobbies other than YouTube. I also like that. That's just my ideas of the positives of dyslexia and art. And I also want to tell you guys, like this video, comment below if you are someone that has comment below what your guys' hobbies are. Tell me in comments below, share this with your friends, and subscribe and hit the bell and be notified when I upload a video.